Here, babe. Come here, baby.
Your wife says you don't.
Right here, Barry.
What's happening, babe?
There's your birthday present.
You serious?
There's your birthday present.
Kiss my ass! Kiss my ass! Kiss my ass! Kiss my ass! Kiss my ass, man! Woo!
Awesome. What happened?
Ooh-wee! Just got a freaking eating cabinet, dog.
Did we just talk about that?
Ooh-wee! I was about to go by there today.
I
You
know.
know I was, and you pretended like you had to pee. I ain't lying, because we were at Walmart, and man, look, the car was driving it.
You don't still want me to kiss your ass, do you?
I was driving in there, my wheel was turning, and she's like, I gotta pee, and I was just like, because I just want to go by and price it, because I'm going to bust their head on it. You get a good price on it? Got a good price? Did you bust their head?
You know I did.
Yeah, baby. All right.